Hello, welcome back to Unpod, where we explore the most innovative startups funded by Y Combinator. Today, we are diving into the world of Bucket Robotics, a company that's revolutionizing manufacturing with its cutting edge defect detection technology. Founded in 2024 and based in Pittsburgh, Bucket Robotics addresses a massive problem in manufacturing waste caused by defects. Each year, over 250 million pounds of plastic are wasted in US manufacturing alone. Bucket Robotics aims to tackle this issue by making defect detection faster, smarter, and easier to integrate. At the heart of their innovation is the use of CAD files, blueprints for modern manufacturing. Bucket system leverages these files to create defect detection models before a single product is even made. This means manufacturers can catch defect from day one without relying on outdated methods like human monitoring or waiting for defective parts to show up. The system continuously improves as it gathers real-world data, making it highly reliable and efficient. The company was co-founded by Matt Pochalski and Steve Wolski, who bring a wealth of experience from the autonomous vehicle industry. Matt has worked on deploying self-driving cars across the US and Germany, while Steph, a robotics prodigy who started working as the field at just 18, has been instrumental in building advanced automation systems. Together, they have created a product that's not only effective but also easy to deploy on compact devices like the Jetson or in Nano. With US manufacturing undergoing a massive transformation, Bucket Robotics is perfectly positioned to lead the charge. By reducing waste, lowering cost, and improving product quality, they are not just solving today's problem but paving the way for the future of automation. Stay tuned to Unpod for more stories about startups changing the world, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.